Welcome back to the channel, coin lovers and rare currency collectors. In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of German coins, with a fast-up special focus on one of the most intriguing and valuable pieces, the Germany 2 Pfennig coin from the year 1963 with the mint mark G in very fine condition. This coin might seem small, but in the hands of collectors and enthusiasts worldwide, it carries massive value, especially in today's auction markets where its demand is at an all-time high. Stay tuned because we will explore its full history, standout features, rarity, collector tips, and its current value in United States dollars. So grab your loupe and notebook. This is one coin you do not want to miss. Let us start with a bit of historical background. The Germany 2 Pfennig coin was part of the post-World War II West German currency system, minted under the Deutsche Bundesbank. The 1963 G mint was produced in the state mint of Karlsruhe, one of the 5 major mints in West Germany. These coins played a vital role in daily economic life, but over the decades many were lost, melted down, or simply disappeared from circulation. This made some variants, especially the 1963 G, increasingly rare. Back then, it was just a small coin for everyday transactions, but today it is a piece of German monetary history tightly held by collectors across the globe. Now let us talk about the unique characteristics of the 2 Pfennig 1963 G. It was minted in bronze, giving it a distinctive reddish-brown hue. The obverse features the iconic oak seedling, symbolizing growth, renewal, and a new beginning for West Germany after the war. The reverse side proudly displays the value 2 and the word Pfennig, with Bundesrepublik Deutschland encircling the edge. What makes the 1963 G edition truly stand out is not just the design, but the precision of its strike, its mint mark G, and the fact that only a limited number were kept in excellent condition over time. These coins are prized when found in very fine condition or better, showing sharp details with minimal wear. The rarity of the 1963 G2 Pfennig coin plays a huge role in its current high demand. Many people overlook small denomination coins, which is why fewer of them survive in collectible condition. Among all the 2 Pfennig coins, 1963 G stands out as a sleeper rarity. Its survival rate in top grades is very low, and that is exactly why collectors are now chasing it aggressively. On top of that, the increasing popularity of European coinage in the global numismatic market has made German coins a hot topic, especially pre-Euro era coins like this one. Auction platforms and collectors groups frequently showcase bidding wars over such pieces, showing how passionate and competitive the demand has become. Now for the question everyone is asking, how much is the 1963 G2 Pfennig coin worth in today's auction market? Well, values can fluctuate depending on condition and the platform where it is sold, but in very fine condition, this coin has recently been fetching $110,000 and sometimes even higher depending on interest and bidding dynamics. If found in extra fine or uncirculated condition, it can go well beyond $210,000 in certain high-profile auctions. It is important to remember this is a coin that once had almost no value in everyday use, and now it is turning heads for its rarity and historical importance. That kind of price appreciation makes it a goldmine for smart collectors. If you are a collector looking to add this beauty to your collection, here are some key tips. First, always look for authenticity. Make sure the coin has the correct mint mark G and matches known specifications for weight, diameter, and design. Secondly, condition is everything. A coin in very fine condition is already highly sought after, but higher grades can skyrocket in value. Use a magnifier to inspect the oak leaves and lettering for sharpness. Always store your coins properly in non-acidic holders to prevent further wear or corrosion. And lastly, do not wait too long. As more collectors enter the scene, competition for coins like the 1963 G is only going to grow. Secure your place in the market now because this coin's future is shining bright. To wrap it all up, the Germany 2 Pfennig 1963 G coin is more than just a small piece of metal. It is a historical gem, a symbol of post-war resilience, and a rising star in the numismatic world. With its increasing rarity, attractive design, and growing market value, it has rightfully earned its place among the most valuable German minor coins of the 20th century. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned collector, this coin deserves a spot in your collection. Next up, we are diving into the world of rare Asian coins with a spotlight on one of the most overlooked but incredibly valuable coins in the collector's market, the Hong Kong 20 cents from the year 1983. This coin might look like just another piece of pocket change, but believe me, when it comes in fine condition and enters the auction market, it stirs up serious attention and surprising dollar value. So grab a seat because we are going to explore every corner of this coin's fascinating story, from its history and unique features to its current booming demand among collectors worldwide. Let us begin with a bit of historical context. The 1983 Hong Kong 20-cent coin was minted during a significant era when Hong Kong was still a British colony. These coins were part of the Queen Elizabeth II series and represented a time of stable governance and rapid economic development in Hong Kong. Coins from this period are now highly collectible because they capture a moment in history right before the region's political and economic transformation. The 1983 issue specifically carries immense importance because the production run was limited, and coins in good condition are becoming increasingly scarce. Now let us talk about the physical and artistic features that make the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents truly special. Struck in copper nickel, this coin measures 23.5 millimeters in diameter and has a scalloped edge, a design feature that stands out in the numismatic world. On the obverse, we find the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a symbol of British authority and legacy. Flip it over and the reverse shows the denomination 20 cents boldly inscribed, along with the bilingual name Hong Kong in both English and traditional Chinese characters. This dual language detail makes it especially appealing to both Western and Asian collectors. The fine details, symmetry, and the beautifully aged patina on older examples give the coin a distinct charm that is hard to replicate in modern minting. Collectors today are chasing after the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents for one main reason: rarity and condition. While millions may have been minted, finding this coin in fine or better condition is surprisingly difficult. Most of these coins were circulated heavily in the local economy, which means many have scratches, wear, and damage. A coin in fine condition, with sharp details and minimal wear, is not just rare, it is premium material for collectors. Add to that the historical significance and the limited appearance of such specimens in auctions, and you have got a recipe for high demand and competitive bidding. Let's look at current value. In today's coin collecting world, the 1983 20 cents in fine or very fine condition can fetch anywhere from $105,000 or more, depending on the preservation and appeal. Some especially clean or uncirculated pieces have gone beyond the $150,000 mark in international auctions. Online marketplaces like eBay and collector forums are buzzing with interest, and prices have steadily increased in recent years. It is not just a piece of metal. This coin has turned into a growing asset, an investment for future returns, and a cultural relic rolled into one. For collectors who are serious about adding this gem to their collection, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always look for coins with clear details, especially around the Queen's portrait and the scalloped edges. Avoid heavily worn or clean coins, as they lose historical authenticity and market value. If you find one in good shape, consider getting it graded by a professional service. A certified grade can significantly boost its value in auctions. Also, be alert on auction sites, estate sales, and old coin shops, where undervalued treasures like this might still be hiding. To wrap it all up, the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents is more than just a coin. It is a piece of history, an artistic expression, and a collector's dream. Its rising value and limited availability make it a hot topic in today's numismatic market. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a beginner collector, this coin offers an excellent opportunity to own a rare piece that continues to grow in value. So keep your eyes open, do your research, and maybe you will get lucky and add this incredible piece to your collection. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare currency to uncover the hidden gem that's catching the eyes of collectors and investors around the globe, the Hong Kong 50 cents coin from 1978. You might be surprised to learn that even in poor or circulated condition, this coin is gaining serious traction in today's auction markets with impressive dollar value potential. So sit back, relax, And get ready to discover why this small piece of metal could be worth more than you think. The Hong Kong 50 cents 1978 coin was minted during a crucial era in Hong Kong's economic development. Under British colonial rule, the region was rapidly modernizing, and its coinage reflected a blend of traditional design and colonial authority. This particular coin features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, symbolizing Hong Kong's connection to the British monarchy. Minted primarily by the Royal Mint, the coin circulated widely across Hong Kong, making it a common sight in the hands of the everyday citizen. However, over the decades, many of these coins disappeared from circulation, worn down or lost to history, which now adds to its intrigue and rarity in the modern-day numismatic scene. The 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin carries several characteristics that make it stand out. It is composed of copper nickel and has a distinct scalloped 12-sided edge, making it easily recognizable by touch alone. The obverse proudly displays Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse showcases the traditional Chinese characters for Hong Kong, along with the coin's denomination in both English and Chinese. Its diameter of 23.5 millimeters and weight of 5.18 grams give it a unique feel and identity among world coins. Even when worn or aged, its design still holds strong appeal for collectors due to its historical context and stylistic uniqueness. Now let us talk about rarity, the real reason this coin is making headlines among collectors. While the 50 cents coin from 1978 was produced in significant numbers at the time, very few have survived in decent condition today. What makes it even more appealing is that coins from this specific year have become harder to find, especially in original circulated form. Even those in poor condition are fetching attention in auctions simply because of their age, heritage, and dwindling availability. Many collectors are specifically hunting for this coin to complete their British colonial Hong Kong sets, and with demand steadily increasing, even well-worn coins are selling quickly. The low survival rate combined with rising global interest is driving prices up at a surprising rate. You might be wondering, how much is this coin actually worth today? Well, here's where it gets exciting. Depending on the exact condition and market timing, the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin in poor to circulated condition is currently attracting values ranging from $110,000 in auctions and online marketplaces. Some exceptionally lucky sales have even seen prices exceeding $170,000, especially if the coin has unique toning, historical markings, or comes with provenance. For a coin that once held mere cents in value, this is a remarkable appreciation that reflects both collector passion and global numismatic demand. As time passes and more of these coins disappear into private collections, the price is expected to continue climbing. If you are thinking about adding the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin to your collection, now is the perfect time. Start by checking your own old coin jars or family heirlooms. Many of these coins are hiding in plain sight. If purchasing, make sure to verify authenticity and buy from reputable sellers. Even coins with scratches, discoloration, or dull appearance can hold serious value, so do not be discouraged by surface wear. Storage is important. To use soft coin holders to preserve what remains of the design. And finally, keep an eye on auction platforms and collector groups where these coins are frequently discussed. Building knowledge is key to spotting great deals and identifying undervalued gems. To wrap it all up, the Hong Kong 50 cents coin from 1978 has transformed from a simple currency piece into a hot collectible in today's numismatic world. Its rich historical background, distinctive design, and growing scarcity have turned it into a treasure for coin enthusiasts worldwide. Even in less than perfect condition, it holds substantial value and continues to attract demand. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a brilliant investment for your collection. Don't overlook the hidden gems in your pocket change. Sometimes they are worth far more than gold. If you found this video informative and exciting, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more rare coin discoveries, and drop a comment below if you own or are searching for the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin. Until next time, happy collecting!